You're still with me, Frank Tete, and it's Law Times. In Law Times, we actually deal with issues with that legal swab, whether they're contemporary issues or issues of interest to the Nigerian public and to the world at large. And I'm very excited, I must say, that I have right here with me someone I've known for quite a long time. I've shared the number with back to over 30 years, and she's blazed a lot of trail. And I feel quite excited to introduce Dr. George Amadi. Dr. George Amadi is a UK-based lawyer and a cleric who pastors one of the fastest growing churches in the United Kingdom. And I'm talking about the Good News Bible Church. Dr. George, you're welcome, and my pleasure. Can I have a handshake with you?
Thank you very much.
Great. Now, this is interesting. I like the fact that you are able to traverse these two noble professions. First, as a clergyman, you started out even, and then you became called to the Nigerian bar. You also moved on to the United Kingdom, and you're a solicitor in the United Kingdom, running your own firm. How are you able to combine these very two inscrutable, I would say, professions?
Well, that's a question a lot of people have asked me on so many occasions. One thing it's about passion. And whatever you have passion for, you give your best for it. And I would say that I have passion for both. I became a Christian at a very young age, as you are aware, and I had a very good passion for that, to see people, their relationship with God, getting better, and I pursued that for a long time until I became a lawyer, which was also my second passion, because I have always been someone that is interested in fighting for people, fighting for justice, right from when I was in the high school. I always don't want to see people oppressed. And these were part of the things that, pushed me to become a lawyer as well. And, one of the things I tell people is that one of the ways you know your gifts and your talent and your calling is what you can do without being paid. Something that you find out that's what I call passion. When you have something that wakes you up, at night to make sure that things are working. And this is one of the things that gives me the push to be both a clergy and also a lawyer at the same time. And I've never combined both of them, give them the attention they deserve. And I can say I've been successful in both.
Yeah. Now, undoubtedly, you are a very expressive Christian,
Yeah.
and you're also a minister of the gospel. Minister in the sense that you're trying to bring out the blessing of whatever the gospel has for people. I think that's what the essence of the gospel is. However, how are you able to really appreciate politics with this philosophy, with the Christian philosophy? Because I say this in the background that I know you were a very strong supporter of the former British Prime Minister Boris Johnson.
Yeah.